What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles daily live stream. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you guys. I'm just here in the New York Bagel Factory counting the sesame seeds so you guys don't have to. We're making the everything bagels. We got the egg everything bagels. We got the poppy seed bagels. We got them all here because we're making that dough. Trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. Guys, if you are new to the channel, we show you why we're not scared of bear markets over here. Because if we are going into a bear market, we're going to short the heck out of this thing on the way down, and we're going to make some money. Guys, we have a great show tonight. Just a heads up, I'm probably going to be cutting this stream short. I think we might do closer to an hour tonight. I've been going through it, guys. The past few days, I've been trying to get this strategy video out for you. And if I told you the amount of technical difficulties that I've been having, I had to record this video 4 separate times. So I think I might cut this stream a little short tonight so I can go and edit that video and get it up, hopefully, if not tonight, tomorrow during the day. It's a wonderful, wonderful strategy video to help you guys. It's a really strong strategy to help you guys get into really confident trades. I actually used it today to get a nice little short. And guys, I just want to point this out just so you guys, if you make a mistake, you don't get discouraged, right? So I entered a short today and I went to take profit, right? And I only wanted to take partial profit, but I forgot to cancel my original stop loss of 100%. And I got stopped out and I'm sorry, I hit my take profit and it took my whole position out. So I missed this giant move. I only got 10% out of the, I don't know how many percent, but much more I could have gotten. A little disappointing, but hey, 10% profit's better than no profit, right? But yeah, I think somebody asked in the chat if you can move your stop loss. If you're on Femex or Bybit, you definitely can move your stop loss. If you see it there on the chart, your stop loss will pop up as a line, and you can just move that, click and drag that line up and down just to move, and that will move your stop loss automatically. All you have to do is drag it around. So I just want to answer that question really quick. Thank you guys for being here. Who do we got in chat today? Let's see. Crypto Anon, what is going on? Thank you for coming back, man. Matt T, Patrick, DJ, Tony D, one of our wonderful mods who actually is going to be making a visit here to Atlanta, Georgia. So you guys might actually get to meet the man behind the Tony D little wrench icon in the chat. Maybe we'll bring him up on set and he'll say what's up to you guys probably Monday, hopefully. But yeah, Tony, thank you for being here. Wick, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Patrick, who else we got? Red Robles, what's going on, man? Patricio, Jonathan, The Bit, Daryl, welcome back. Cultivating Craftsman, thank you for coming back. Daniel, Daryl, Po Folks Gang. Let's go. I like that. Gang. Thank you guys for being back here. Who do we got? Tony. Is it Tony alone? Tony and Tyler. All right, we got Tony and Tyler tonight. Maybe Captain Kirk will pop in. Thank you all for being here. Bitcoin. Yes. Guys, we are dumping currently. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at some altcoins. You guys might know my bias right now if you saw the morning stream, Ben's morning stream, BitBoy Crypto. You will have an idea of what we're going to talk about today, but we're going to be talking about some really important stuff, levels that you need to watch for potential bounce. We're actually hitting one right now. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that, and we're going to be announcing the NFT and one-on-one call giveaway winners at the end of the stream. And also, guys, I do have a listen, I landed on Eat Bugs on the wheel. I'm gonna deliver. We're eating some crickets today, so stay tuned for that. We are gonna be eating a few crickets. I've heard they're pretty tasty. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. We will be doing that. Gross jelly beans are on the way. I don't know what's taking them so long to get here. But yeah, so stick around for that. We're going to be announcing the winners. And if you have not entered, please, if you want to enter to win the Cardano NFT or the one-on-one 15-minute call with me, go to the channel and watch our stop loss video, like it, and leave a comment, and then hop back into the stream, and you'll be entered in to win. Okay, guys, let's just check. Can people visit your new studio? Robert, yes. So we just moved into a 40,000 square foot mega facility here with a bunch of different studios. We're doing a lot of really cool stuff with BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network. It will be open to the public eventually. Right now, it's still got a lot of work going on, but eventually you will be able to come and pop in and check out the new building. Here comes the man, the myth, the legend.
Is this the new building?
This is the new building.
I just wanted to pop in.
Yeah. Oh, hey, look at that.
Just like they'll be able to do.
Just like you'll be able to do. DZ will pop in. You never know who you're going to run into if you come check out the new building. How did ATP go?
It was a great episode.
Great episode. Any key knowledge we should know from any of the guests about this crazy dump that we're having?
Crypto Lifer had some great TA.
Okay.
So
all right.
Maybe if you trying to fill some time, maybe even do a like a 2-minute reaction vid.
Oh, not a bad idea.
Because he had the beginning segment, so it's easy to find.
Okay, not a bad idea. Thank you for that, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, DZ_BTC. Follow NFT Alpha if you guys are not already. If you're into NFTs, flipping NFTs, finding the next big project for massive gains, definitely go check them out. They're dropping gems all the time, dropping jewels. Okay, all right, let's see what we got here. Let's go and jump into the Chizarts. Here we go. All right, guys. Old Bitcoin. What are we going to do with you? All right. Look at that, guys. Starting the day off with a random line. Don't you love that? Don't you love that? Guys, I do have to say, you know, I've been getting knocked around by these technical difficulties all day. I've kind of had a little bit of a rough day. You know, we all got those. We have ups and downs, just like Bitcoin. But I do have to say, as soon as I hop on this stream, guys, my mood just comes up. I love hanging out with you guys. It really is my favorite part of the day. I'm blessed to be able to do this every single day. Okay. So, as you guys can see, if you watched the, let's get off the 15-minute chart here. Let's start on the weekly as we usually do. Good news, we have not lost our green dot on the weekly chart, right? So if there's any bullish hopium here, let's start with that. We're still over the zero line with the VWAP. We have not lost this green dot yet. We have 2 days and 2 hours left to confirm it, so it could disappear. But as of right now, we do still have it. Let's go ahead and move down on our time frames here. Now, I was talking about on the BitBoy crypto stream this morning how I thought we did have some room to go down further. Unfortunately, it did play out exactly like that. Not what I wanted, but it's what I saw on the charts, and you got to go by the data, not your feelings. Otherwise, I'd just be on here telling you guys it's going to the moon every single day. But that's simply just not the case today. I do want to talk about, I forgot to mention this yesterday. I said I was going to bring it up, but I'm going to be talking about a pattern that could still potentially play out in a bullish case, right? So we're going to go over that. But the daily, right? Money flow still just teasing us here, right? Clearly, it's not getting any closer to the zero line with this dump, but still generally moving in the upward direction. But we do have this little trigger wave to the downside. So that is kind of what we see playing out right now, right? You have momentum coming to the downside, coming this way. Holy cow, that's a big arrow. So when you see these little trigger waves that are close to the zero line with the dots on them, typically they play out pretty harshly, just to point that out. So, and then you guys can see this, just kind of basic market cipher stuff, because I know a lot of people are always trying to demystify market cipher here, even though I do think it is pretty simple to read compared to a lot of indicators. But right here, you had a big hump, right? And then you had a little hump here, right? So not really a bullish divergence technically, because I don't think we're making a higher high here, but it does indicate that, you know, momentum is coming to the downward direction. So I just wanted to point that out. So let's come on over. Let's zoom in. Let's go to the 2 hour here. So obviously we rejected off of this zone. This is the zone we had to get over, right? At this point, we're going to have, we're kind of taking back steps here, but, you know, this was going to be the point that we needed to get past to get some more continuous bullish action, right? Obviously, we got rejected pretty harshly, and now we are coming down. And I was saying that we did have another level. I think it was right about, I think it was just right about here, right? I was saying we could come down to this level, or I think it was more at like 40. Yeah, that's where it was. At about 40,000, right? So that is a huge psychological support line. A lot of people have their orders filled there or set there. So we get that psychological support at these round numbers, these nice round even numbers, but we smashed right through it. I did say if we smashed through that, we would have a little backup here with the golden pocket sitting here at right about 30, I believe it's like 30, 38.5 is the beginning of the golden pocket there. And we are currently bouncing off of it. And I do want to point this out, guys. The golden pocket is very strong, right? So let's come down to like the 5 minute just so we can zoom in a little bit here. Look at this. We came down and almost touched it exactly and have a little bounce, right? Not as strong of a bounce as you would want off of a golden pocket. However, a bounce is a bounce, right? I just wanted to show you guys how it did react off that level. This is where we were expecting a bounce. So we did come down to that little backup golden pocket. We are getting a little bit of a bounce, nothing too crazy. Now, let's talk real quick about what if we break this golden pocket, right? I don't think it's impossible. I think there is a possibility that we do break it. 4 hour came up into the green with the money flow, right? Just slightly right there. And then it came back down into the red. And now we're pretty aggressively coming back down into the red, right? So hopefully we can hold this golden pocket. If we do break it, these are the levels I am looking for, right? This was the original level, about 38K, right? And we are getting a little bit of a bounce. But if we break this, I'm going to be looking at, maybe you make a stop here at about 37K. But this is really the key area that we want to watch. And that is $35,000, right? Now, if we can hold, right? Let me go to the daily here, zoom out just a little bit. Right? We have this trend line, right? We came down, we touched it here, came back up, came down and touched it here, making a slightly higher low before coming up to higher prices, right? Now, this trend line has stuck, right? We have touched it right here, and then we almost touched it right here, right? Didn't quite come down that much, but if we do come down, right, and we break 37, 35K is right here, but also maybe if we just wick down a little bit and hit this trend line and that trend line holds, really ideally what we want to see is a bounce off of 35K, if we're being honest, right? And I'm going to explain why that would be very important in just a minute here. But yeah, let's just check chat real quick before moving on. When Lambo, DJ Bravo says, when Lambo. Hey, I saw somebody else in here. Who was it? Let me see if I could find it really quick. Boom, 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 boom. Might not be able to find it on the fly here, but I forgot the name. But somebody in here said, what's up, Frankie? James, what's going on, man? Hashtag bing bong. Let's see. Doug, welcome back. He says, yo, I'm late. Hashtag CandleMafia. Hey, no problem. I know you got your late pass. It's okay. I had somebody in here saying, happy birthday, Matt. Matt says it's back. It's his birthday. Ivan, welcome back. So anyway, Hot Lana. We had someone in here saying, up 300% on a short. Thank you, Frankie. I hope you saw me mentioning this on the morning stream and then you took that short and bang, you're 300% up. Hey, might be time to take profit. I forgot who said it, but yeah, I hope you're taking profits. I hope you're taking for 300% a lot. So maybe take partial profits there. Not financial advice, just just kind of what I would do. Hey, Peebo, I emailed you today. I don't know if you answered me or if you saw it, but I did email you for the, I believe you're the one that won the 15-minute call. So check your email if you have not already answered me. And yeah, so let's see here real quick. What candles do you like to use? Heikinashi or regular? I switch back and forth, Chris. Very rarely will I stay on regular candles, though. I'm looking at Heikinashis for the most part. All right, let's see. You think Bitcoin will go down to 36? Jonathan, I think you probably just heard it. I'm hoping that we don't go down this low, but I'm looking at 35K, right? If you guys realize, everyone's talking about the 38K support, right? Right about where we wicked down to right here, right? About 38.5. This golden pocket is about 38K, right? So everyone's talking about this. We have to remember that the whales know about the golden pocket, right? I talk about this in my Fibonacci video. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. But the whales, what they like to do with the golden pocket on the longer time frames is they like to push it past the golden pocket because they know all the retail traders are looking at the golden pocket with hopes of a bounce, right? So a lot of times on the longer time frames, you'll see the whales push the price below the golden pocket and liquidate all the long orders that are sitting there at the golden pocket. And they'll liquidate all them. They'll push the price down and then they'll shoot it and shoots back up. So you could get faked out. That's why I say you don't really want to trade the golden pocket on the longer time frames. But everybody's looking at this 38K level. And the whales are professionals at stealing money out of retail traders' hands. You don't want to think like a retail trader. You don't want to be dumb money. You want to move with the smart money, the big money, the whales, the humpbacks, whatever you want to call them. You want to move with them. You want to think like them, not a retail trader, right? Everyone's talking about 38K. It's kind of making me feel a little fishy, right? Typically, when you get everybody feeling super bullish, that's when you see a dump. When you get people feeling really scared, when fear is at the max, that's when you see a pump, right? So, you want to keep that in mind. You want to think like big money. You want to think like smart money, not a retail trader. We're not dumb money on this channel. We are smart money. We swim with the whales. We're not minnows, okay? We might be makos, right? We might be sharks, but we're not minnows, right? We swim with the big fish. So you want to, I would expect a bounce off the golden pocket, right? I'm not saying you can't bounce off the golden pocket, but obviously we are right here. But you want to be careful, right? So I'm thinking maybe they would push it down to the next level. And let's talk about this this pattern that I wanted to bring up yesterday, but completely forgot, right? We get lost in the sauce here every single day on the channel. If I'm not giving, sometimes I give you guys so much sauce, I get lost in the sauce, right? So listen. This is the pattern I want to talk to you guys about, right? And I brought this up, I do bring this up from time to time, but I brought this up, I think, on my first stream ever. And I think I brought it up the first time I ever went on Ben's channel, I brought this up, right? And it's a running flat correction, right? Now, typically what you see with these is you come up in a parabolic move, right? You bounce off resistance, you come down. You bounce off the bottom of the support, and you come up and you make a slightly higher high, right? We're higher high here than here, right? A little bit higher. And then you come down and you make a lower, a higher low, right? Right here. Higher low meaning meaning higher than this low down here by the summer. So that is where the running flat correction, you come up, you go bing, bong, and then bada boom, right? You come up and you can break out in this scenario, right? So really what I'm looking for, obviously this dump is not great, but if we can just keep a higher high here, or a higher low, I'm sorry. If we can make another higher low here, that pattern will still be valid, right? It'll be possible for that still to play out as long as we don't come down and make a lower low, right? Now, if we break this 35K level, you know, we're going probably to 30 pretty quickly, in my opinion, right? We break 35, we break this trend line, we're probably coming down to 30 pretty quick. If we break that level, it's probably going down to test the last all-time high in the last cycle at around 20K. I know a lot of people think it can go lower than that. It might, but I would be looking at 30K. That's the first big area of support, retesting that you know, previous all-time high in the last cycle. 284 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. Smash the like button if you guys want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure. We're going to have to get this wheel fixed. It's completely jacked up. I think we're going to switch over to a digital wheel until we can get our new wheel. And look at that, right by 20 jumping jacks. You guys know the wheel loves that. But yeah, we're going to be spinning the wheel and announcing our giveaways at the end of the show, and eating crickets, by the way, unfortunately for me. But yeah, we're gonna have to get a new wheel. This one's all jacked up. But yeah, we want to make this higher low. Guys, I just keep slip of the tongue. You want to keep a higher low here so we can keep this running flat in play, right? We could have had it play out here. That's kind of where I thought it was going to happen initially, but then we came down and now we're just banging and bonging around here, right? Now, we've addressed the bullish case. We've addressed the bearish case, right? Bullish case, the running flat could still play out. Bearish case, we break 38, right? Let me zoom in here. Oh, random line. Here we go. Bing, bong. You break this 38K, right? You come down, maybe don't even bother with 37K, and you come right back down to 35K. If we break that, it's not going to be looking very good, but we'll have to see how it plays out over time. Let's take a look here at chat. Man, if we see 20K, you're going to see me back that truck up to buy as much as possible. Wick? Me too. Me too. All right, let's see. Yeah, bing bong. Let's go. Bing bong's in the chat, baby. Let's see. Frankie, what is the purpose of the leading wave, light blue momentum wave, just to show us the immediate overbought, oversold direction? Which do you focus on of the two, light or dark blue? So real quick, I will just touch on that really quick. When you see the light blue wave cut into the dark blue wave, it's basically just showing you that the price action is reversing, right? So yeah, like you can see here, right? Green candle, as soon as you get the red candle, the VWAP did cross over, you get that red dot, right? And if you come here, you know, green candle, you get the red dot, red candle. So it's just showing that particular price movement is basically, you could think of it as crashing waves, right? You come up, the wave peaks, and then it crashes like a wave at the beach, right? And then you get that rolling effect. All right, hashtag value hope. I appreciate you. Thank you for that. DCA is the way. Yeah, guys, I do want to point this out, guys. A lot of people, I don't know, man. Like a lot of people like to go at the traders. Like, hey, I'm a hodler too. Like I always talk about this. I am a long-term hodler. I have big bags that are sitting there. There's an amount of crypto that I will never sell, right? I'm just taking a small portion of my bag and trading with that. That's all. Like most of my money is still long-term hodl. Like you don't have to pick trader or hodler, right? You could be a hodler and then trade as well. So the hodling is a great strategy. I feel like everyone thinks if you're a trader, you hate hodling. That is not the case, at least for me, right? I am a big hodler. I buy very, very good projects and I hold them over time. It's a winning strategy over time. You want to buy the lows and hold, or buy a little bit every day regardless of the price, and just hold it over time. If you're a big believer in crypto and you think it's going to go up over time, then you know, hodl is the way. But let's see here. Boom. Would you look at entering a short right now? Okay, this is a good question. This is a very good question. Personally, no, right? Now, can you come down, just keep crashing down like crazy? Yes. But obviously, we're seeing a bounce off of this golden pocket. Let's go down to a lower time frame so we can get some decent candles here. Yeah. Now, you wouldn't want to, you know, this is a pretty big down move. You're bound to retrace. Like, I'm not saying that you can't just continue to fall here. You totally can, and we might. But you know, we already had a giant move to the downside. I would like to see a little bit better of a retracement up before I entered. Maybe if we came up to test this resistance line and started rejecting, then I would open up maybe short or something like that if I see a bearish divergence somewhere. But right now, I was wrestling with technology today all day, recording a video, the same video like 3 times. So I hadn't really been looking at the charts very, very actively today. So I unfortunately missed this move. I would have caught it if my short today, I caught a little 10% short this morning and accidentally closed out the whole position instead of taking partial profit. But hey, a win is a win. I did miss out on some really, really good gains. It's a bummer. But I'm not FOMOing back in, right? Because I probably wrote it down to about here. I probably would have FOMO'd in right here and then came up and it might have gotten stopped out. Who knows? So you don't want to FOMO into trades. You're probably feeling a little bit of FOMO on the shorts right now. Not to say that no, I'm not telling you don't short right now. I'm just saying be careful because you did come down a lot. Typically, you would want to wait for a little bit of a retrace before entering another short, or you want to see another really bearish signal, like if we start really breaking the golden pocket. And I just turned on Market Cipher A. As you guys can see, the yellow X's, as I continuously repeat on this channel, play out. Yellow X, little fake out pump, dump. Yellow X came down a little bit. This could be another fake out pump and then dump. That might be what brings us through the golden pocket possibly. But no, I wouldn't just be jumping into a short personally. Let's see. If my total bag is less than 200, can I trade my way to 1,000? Blue Punk Rocker, if you start with $200, you can definitely make your way to 1,000. 100%. I trade and hodl. I buy and sell to make my money back and keep the rest in a bag. Hey, that's a great strategy. I buy and sell to make my money back and keep the rest in a bag. Hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. We can take a look at that, DJ. Hey, Frankie, can you see 2 yellow X's on Bitcoin on Cipher A 1 hour time frame? Let's see. I do not see any yellow X's. I don't know if you might be using a Market Cipher imitator. We're actually talking about this on the BitBoy Crypto morning stream. Typically, you know, there's tons of clones out there that try to claim that they're the same thing as Market Cipher, but you will see a lot of differences. A lot of times the money flow is off. A lot of time Market Cipher A is off. You might see a blood diamond, but it doesn't play out like a blood diamond. But I do not see any yellow X's, so I hope that gives you a little bit of clarity. Which time frames do you draw your key support and resistance levels? Do you draw them with different colors on yeah. To which levels are more important? Same question for Fibonacci. Thank you. Ellie, great question. I draw my support and resistance lines. Yeah, sometimes I'll draw them. What I do is I'll draw them on the higher time frames, and the ones that are drawn on the higher time frames, I'll make thicker, right? So I know they're thick and strong. And then you do want to make sure, right, if you draw your support and resistance lines on a longer time frame like the daily or something, and then you come down to the 15-minute to trade, you're going to have to draw new lines, right? Because if you have support and resistance lines here, and then you're trading the 15-minute, and the 15-minute price action is really just happening here, you're not even going to see those support and resistance lines. So I'll draw macro support and resistance lines, make them thick, and then I will go zoom into a smaller time frame if I'm scalping, and I'll draw smaller support and resistance lines that are closer to the price action, right? And then if you break, if you come up to a thick one, I know, oh, that's a support level from the daily. So yeah, you kind of got the idea there. I do that. I do that from time to time. Let's see. If you only have, let's see. Nice autoplay. Autoplay took me here. Let's go. BN, welcome to the stream. I'm glad autoplay might have found you your next favorite YouTube channel. Welcome to the CandleMafia. We're lit over here. We're just out here partying. Let's go. I trade with less than 1% of my portfolio. Chad, yeah, that's totally fine. That's like, yeah, cool. Even if you blow up your account, and you liquidate your entire account, which you shouldn't if you watch this channel, obviously. But even if you did, you lost 1% of your entire bag, right? So you want to be hedged, right? You don't want to put all your crypto money into your trading account. You want to be hedged a little bit, right? Thanks, Frankie Jonas. No problem. No problem. Doug says beeper crew with a little beeper. That's hilarious. I might have missed that actual joke, but I remember when beepers were a thing. I never had one personally, but I remember my parents having them. Let's see. Would you exit your short if you were currently 30% in profit? Connor, right now you might see a little bit, like we're seeing a little bounce off of this Fibonacci level. So maybe you want to take partial profits, not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. Personally, when I am in a short, like let's say I was shorting from this area, just for example, I'm not saying this would have been there would have been hard. Let's say you see this support break, right? And you're just like, I don't recommend trading like this. I'm trying to just find a quick example so I don't have to go find a legitimate one, waste time. So say you got a signal and you want it to short from right here, right? And then you come down, right? And you bang down, and then you come down to here, right? When I get close to the golden pocket or a really strong key support level, I will take at least partial profit because I am expecting a bounce. Now, you already did come up a little bit, so that's your judgment call. You got to do what you feel comfortable with, but I typically take profits at near support levels or partial profits near support levels. So if I was in this short right here, I might take a little bit when we hit this golden pocket and then left part of the trade in. So if we broke the golden pocket, I was still in the trade and you can get those extra gains. Another thing you can do is just drag your stop loss into profit, right? That way, if you come up and you get stopped out, right? Let me just draw a line here. So, maybe you drag your stop loss from, wherever your stop loss is originally, you bring it past your entry point into profit and you maybe do it right there. And then if you come up, you'll get stopped out in profit, right? Depends on how deep in profit you are. Let's see, what's the easiest way to buy XRP in Cali? Do you need a VPN or is there an easy exchange? I mostly use, you might have to use a VPN for KuCoin, but I know KuCoin, you can get XRP. That's a good place to get it. Pretty easy exchange to use. Frankie finally made it to the live show. Usually I'm working. I always watch ATB and you when I get home. Hey, Hater Magnet Crypto, thank you for being here. I appreciate you tuning in live. Well, welcome to the stream. We're happy to have you and catch you live. And now I can say hi to you, so that's cool, isn't it? When Discord channel and OG NFTs. Okay. So yeah, Discord, hopefully Monday, Discord will be ready. Our guy that we have working on the official Discord is mentioned that he should have it done by Sunday. So I got to check in with him. Hopefully by next week, the Discord will be up. Super, super, super pumped for the Discord. Gonna be a lot of good stuff going on in there. And the NFTs, probably gonna take a little longer. That's not even in the works yet. We're just kind of talking about it. Speaking of in the works, DZ was mentioning of maybe holding me on the bench, right, as a reserve for a filler ATB guest. So possibly might be popping in on ATB once in a while in the near future. We'll have to see. I just lied and said was in Mexico to buy XRP on KuCoin. My stop losses are very powerful magnets. Always draws the price right to it. V-Slim, I know the feeling. Sometimes my take profit levels can act as a magnet, like opposite or same. I don't know how to say it. It keeps rejecting it, like opposite sides of a magnet, or maybe same sides. I think it's positive and positive, reject or whatever it is. But yeah, I don't know. I don't remember exactly where my entry was, but price, if this was my take profit right here, price was coming down. It was like, no, almost touched, and then it finally hit it. And I was just like, there's no way they don't know. Like, they have to know that my take profit level is right there. It was totally just teasing me. But guys, 307 people in the chat. Let's get some likes up in here. Smash that like button if you have not already so you can get multiple wheel spins. Every 100 likes get you a wheel spin. We got giveaways, we got challenges, all kinds of fun stuff. Typically likes that 20. Yeah, this thing's totally rigged. It just lands on 20 jumping jacks every single time. We're getting rid of this thing. We're going to use the digital one until we get a nicer wheel. But we're not getting rid of the wheel. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, we're just going to have to make some changes until we get a new wheel. Let's see. So yeah, guys, I do also want to take a look at some alts here. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at with Bitcoin. We're watching the 38K level. Hopefully we can stick it. If not, we could make break through the golden pocket, maybe make a stop at 37K. Maybe we just crash right through it. 35K is the dire level. So that is what I'm looking at for good old Bitcoin over here. Okay. So guys, as far as alts, right? Talked about this today on the morning stream, on Ben's stream, right? There it is. There it is. She finally, okay, look at this. Look at that. She finally retraced. Okay, there you go. Adam was just on a rip, right? We were just, I mean, what is this? This is Cosmos. You guys know here on the channel, I love trading Cosmos. 62%, in, how long has this been? From here to about here, about the past week or so, we're up 60-something% on Atom. It doesn't care what Bitcoin's doing. It just does whatever it wants. Usually when Bitcoin is crashing, Cosmos is usually just like, I'm gonna go this way. And it just goes the opposite way. So I love when altcoins work opposite to Bitcoin, because it gives you, at least there's a little green on one of the charts, right? Oh God, I gotta open the sweatshirt here, guys. Ugh. Look at that. This is my grout fit today. I got gray on gray, baby. But yeah, so yeah, Adam making some nice moves, finally getting a nice little retrace there, rejecting off of this resistance level. But yeah, nice to see, nice to see. Okay, let's go ahead and Frankie, thoughts on Ultra? We could take a look at that soon. CT 2020. We're gonna take a look at the alts at the end of the stream, guys. If you want to put your alts in chat, then we'll run through them real quick and take a look at them. KuCoin is awesome. 5x leverage on futures without KYC. Look at that. Look at that, Chuck Smith. Thank you for that. Okay. Let's check ADA. You guys love ADA, guys. Hashtag ADA gang if you are part of that Cardano crew. Oh boy, will Cardano ever get over $1 again? Hopefully. We're cheering for you, Cardano. My bag is I got my bag of Cardano. I'm in the Cardano club too. We can't get up over $1, unfortunately, in the recent past. 4 hour, you said 4 hour bullish divergence. Let's take a look. I do not see was it 4 hour? Let's see. What up, Frankie C and CandleMafia coming in late. Adam, no problem. ADA gang, you guys are out here. Let's go. All right, let's see. Where was that chat? 4 hour bullish divergence. Oh, on the RSI on ADA. Let's pull up the actual RSI. Bada boom. What's going on? There we go. RSI. Boom. I am not seeing a bullish divergence on. No, I am not seeing a bullish divergence on Cardano. Unfortunately, I would love to see one. Yes, we'll take a look at ETH. Let's check it out. Even though it's gonna hurt my heart, I don't want to, guys. I don't even really want to look at it. One of my biggest bags is Ethereum. And although I am a long-term believer, oh, this hurts me so bad. It's okay. So, all right, let's take a look at the daily here. Bada boom. Okay. Here we go. Okay. All right, so yeah, here you go. Kind of the same deal on the daily. You do have, let me get rid of this. This is from a video before. So you do have the momentum coming down, right, with this little trigger wave right here. Let me zoom in so you guys can see a little bit. This little trigger wave right here coming barely over the 0 line. So that was a way you kind of could have been feeling a little bearish on ETH before we dumped. Let's see. No, was this a, yeah, no, not a technical bearish divergence, but like I said in the divergence videos, if you guys have not seen that, definitely go check it out. Very powerful video right there. I think it could really help you guys feel confident in your trades and help you guys find these divergences. You could trade them all the time. It's great. But, you do have typically, you want, lower high on your market cipher B, you have a high on your momentum wave, lower high on your the next momentum wave, right? But then you really ideally want to see price going and making higher highs, so you get that alligator mount that we always talk about. Now, you don't have that, but a lot of times you could see, even right here from here to there, right? Just this divergence on the momentum waves do play out sometimes without having the price action on top. So, you could have seen this and been like, wow, I got an anchor and a trigger wave to the downside. That might not be good, even if the price doesn't come up higher, right? So that's kind of how you could have felt that out. But yeah, coming in at about, let's switch to our regular candles here. Bada boom, right? Random line, boom. Okay, so yeah, blood diamond on these regular candles. So, I mean, coming in at 2,600, right? Coming into that psychological resistance or psychological support at 2,600. Hopefully we can hold this level, but, could come down. Bitcoin at 38. Yeah, we're coming down, guys. We're coming down. But hopefully we can get a bounce off this golden pocket and everything can kind of breathe a little bit. Thank you for the knowledge. Ivan, no problem. I will give you my sauce anytime you need. Freaky Frankie Fridays, Captain Kirk, Coinslinger in the chat. Thank you very much for being here, Captain Kirk. You are the best. Our mods are the best in the game here. Let's see. Sorry, man. AI, hope it goes up soon for everyone's sake. Yeah, Bubbas, we're hoping. We're hoping. Let's see. Ouch. Blood on the streets. H-bar. We can take a look at H-bar. Please check BTC current. Will it go up? Yeah, Rohit, we did look at Bitcoin. We're coming up to the golden pocket here. Let me switch back to the Heikinashi candles. We're coming down. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Sometimes I feel like an auctioneer talking on here because I start to talk really fast. If we're like in the mood, right? We're in the zone. We're talking really fast. I sound like I'm auctioning off Bitcoin here. Bitcoin coming in at about 38,954. Do I hear 38,953? Do I hear that? But yeah, we're coming down here to the golden pocket. We are seeing a little bit of a bounce. This is the 4-hour chart. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can just see. Yeah, so we are getting a tiny bounce. Nothing too exciting, to be honest with you. Kind of a weak bounce. But we are getting a little bounce here. But like I said, just to repeat for you, Rahit, if I'm saying your name wrong, I'm sorry. But if we do break this golden pocket, I would really like 37. We might stop off at 37, but 35 is really the level we need to hold. 35 is really important. So I hope that sums it up for you. To set up a swing trade, wait for 35K or jump in now. For a swing trade, it's hard to say right now as we're in the middle of a dump. You could buy in right now and we could bounce off this golden pocket and maybe this is where we get that mega bounce. There's nothing really screaming to me that we're gonna get the mega bounce, but and if you don't buy in here, you're gonna regret it. If it goes up, but if you do buy it and it dumps, you might regret it as well, right? So you're playing it's a tricky game, right? But I will say this. If for a swing trade, if you're talking about like a leverage trade, or I don't know if you're talking about a leverage trade or a long-term bag, but for a long-term bag, 39K Bitcoin, in my opinion, anything under 50K is a deal. So maybe just put a little bit of your money in, not your whole bag, just put like maybe 10%, 5%, whatever it is, and kind of DCA in on these dips, or just buy a little bit on each of these dips. But as far as a swing trade, I would see how it plays out. I'll put it this way: I'm personally not in a long right now. I will say that I did not go into a long. I don't plan on entering a long right now. Maybe you could have caught, somewhat. I mean, even on the 1 minute, guys, this bounce is not very strong. Yeah, I mean, coming into the green on the 1 minute, I mean, there's some green somewhere. Frankie, on your fib indicator, where do you have your golden ratio range set to? I'll show. If you watch my golden pocket, if you watch my Fibonacci video, my Fibonacci tutorial, I go over where I have all my settings so you can set it up exactly how I have it. So definitely go check out that video. But I have, yeah, I would go check out the video I show you how to go into the settings and exactly what I changed to set it up exactly like mine. So definitely check that out. Let's see. Cypher B green dot on the 1 hour, right? Now you don't want to get too excited on the 1 hour. I actually don't have a green dot. You might be looking at a different chart. I don't know if you're using the actual market cipher, but I do not have a green dot on my market cipher. You might be looking. I'm looking at the Bitstamp chart right now. You might be looking at a different chart. You might be on the Coinbase chart. We could check the Coinbase chart to see. Maybe you do have a green dot on there. Yeah, no, I'm not seeing a green dot on the hourly, but just so you know, just as a fair warning, you don't typically want to just see a green dot and trade off of that. It could indicate that maybe you have a little bounce coming in, but especially on a downtrend, as you can see, we printed a green dot right here, and we just came up a little bit before dumping again. Same with this green dot, came up a little bit before dumping again. So yeah. That is where I am on that. So just be careful with the green dots. They signify a bottom, not the bottom. I think a lot of people are under the impression, especially on the 1 hour, you don't really want to, you don't really want to be trading the green dots solely on the 1 hour, especially. But maybe, typically people see these green dots and they see it as just like a buy. This is the bottom buy. It's going to go up for sure. That's not always the case. You want to be very careful, especially if you have yellow X's are popping around here. Don't panic, guys. This is a different chart with a different Fibonacci. Let's go back to the other chart here. We didn't just crash through that golden pocket right away. So let's see. She bouncing a little bit. She's hanging on there, human roots. She's hanging on there. Why are you on the Bitstamp chart when you trade Femex? So this is like a company trading view account, right? So I'm not the only person who uses this. So the charts change a lot. A lot of people add stuff or whatever. I have another account that I use where I have the Femex charts and all that. But I typically, for the most part, I look at the Coinbase or the Gemini charts. I typically don't look at the Bitstamp chart. This just happens to be what's up here. But I look at Coinbase or, what did I just say? Coinbase or Gemini charts. I will look at the Femex charts too, but I mean, sometimes you have a little bit of a discrepancy. So I do look at the Femex charts too, but usually the discrepancy is very, very, very small. So not that crucial. But I definitely do look at them. Okay, let's see. I see lots of dots. Yes, especially in a downtrend, guys, you're gonna see these green dots everywhere. Typically, you don't wanna be buying dots. You don't wanna be buying green dots alone ever, but especially not on a downtrend, right? Because on the downtrend, you're marking a bottom, right? And there could be multiple A bottoms on here, right? Not the bottom, a bottom. So as you're coming down, it thinks this is the bottom, green dot. Oh, we came down, got a yellow X. Oh, this has got to be the bottom. And then we came down again, right? So I really only take these green dots seriously on a uptrend. Sometimes they can be helpful on the longer time frames in an uptrend or a bull market. But you'll notice when you're in big downtrends, these green dots pop up all over the place, even though we're going down. So be very careful. Let's see. Rohit, yeah, the Vu Manchu thing is not very, it's not going to be exactly the same as Market Cipher, just to let you guys know. Maybe it could get maybe close, but if you're seeing stuff on my Market Cipher that you're not seeing on your Market Cipher, it's probably because you're looking at the Vu Manchu, if you're wondering, just so you know. Let's see, 4-hour money flow on BTC heading downwards. Yes. We came we popped into the green a tiny bit, and then we started coming down again, actually pretty aggressively coming down. So yeah, almost 200 likes. Let's go. 322 concurrent viewers. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you. Smash the like if you guys want to spin the wheel and see me do some crazy stuff, or maybe win a giveaway. All right, let's see. Careful. All of sim swaps happening a lot more now. Interesting. All right, guys, protect your phone. Let's see. What's the next BTC bottom? I missed the entry number. Think I'm gonna set an auto buy. I'm being very, very, very cautious right here, right? 38K, would expect a bounce when we get down there. We are bouncing off of the golden pocket right now, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get pushed lower. I keep several different charts up. Definitely varies between them. Sometimes can see the next one move briefly before. Yeah, there's slight discrepancies between some of the exchanges for sure. Do you think if we all pray together now, we can cause a pump? Okay, guys, let's do that. Human roots, let's do that. Everybody get together, sit around, hold the virtual hand next to you guys. Crypto gods, we come to you and we ask that you please rise the price of Bitcoin. We will be good trading girls and boys. We will behave, and please just bless us with a good pump so we can all get rich and buy Lamborghini Huracan Performantes, and we can all go to car meets together with our $500,000 cars, and we can all name our yachts VWAP. Thank you. Thank you guys for partaking in that ceremony. I appreciate it. I think it might do something. I think it might help us. Great suggestion. Got limit buys set on Cardano and DOT. I know it's going lower tonight into Sunday. All right, yeah. I don't think that's unlikely. I think that could happen. Let's see. I am short since 42.4K, holding this to 35.5. Yeah, hey, I mean, maybe take partial profits. I would take partial profits, but if you want to hold it, do it up. Let's see. We have RSI bullish divergence invalidation if Bitcoin drops below 37K. I'm counter praying you. Will Yum Yum. Unbelievable. Must be in a short. Let's see. All those in shorts right now are sending the opposite energy. You guys are funny. I love this community. You guys are great. To the Bitcoin gods, in Jesus' name we pray. Let's see. Not going to work. All right, let's see. Can I come to the Lambo meetup with my Hayabusa? Yeah, hey, we accept Hayabusas around the Lambos. We can't overlook those bikes. We can't overlook the bikes. Brother, you won my heart. I manifest Lambo whole day. I see it on YouTube whole day. Love you. Hey, Rohit, I love you too. I love you too. Let's see. Thanks for the live real-time answers. By swing trade, I meant, to leverage. Okay, I have a hold bag. Just use a little trade bag to buy dips and sell pumps to add BTC. Yes, Rave Song Records. Great, that's a good job. You take 1%, you put that into your trading account, you use good risk management, you use your take profits, and you use good TA to find profitable trades. You grow that bag and you dump it back into low prices at Bitcoin back into your hodl bag. Yes, you get it. He gets it, or she gets it. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's see. Bing bong. Biomex, love it. Forget Lambo. When Eleanor? I don't know, V-Slim. Let's go shorty. Buying $5. Buying $5 does dollars of Bitcoin at the end of the day. Or at the end of the wheel spin, and I think we can swing a pump. There's enough Frankaholics. Let's go. That would be a funny name for the community, right? Frankaholics. Can't get enough of these streams. I'm all strung out watching these streams. All right, let's see. Buying $5 of Bitcoin at the end of the wheel spin. Blue Punk Rocker, I don't know if I can't read anymore or if there's a typo in there that's really throwing me off on that. But let's see. Long energy equals short energy price is stagnant. Hashtag CandleMafia Dano, let's go. I moved my stop to 39.5, so I get stopped out in profit. If it pumps overnight, let's go, Ian. You're learning, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Just changed my avatar to show my Pluto Alliance. Yes, let's go, let's go. That's a nice Pluto. I like that. Buy a candle business and get Frankie to sponsor. Yes, let's do it. Maybe we can get sponsored by Yankee Candle. Here a little late, but nonetheless still here. Dano, absolutely happy to have you here. Heck yeah, I'm a Frankaholic. Let's go, Biomex. Let's go. All right, so let's take a look at XRP. I know we got XRP Army in the chat. Let's go ahead and take a look. Starting on the daily, right? Blood Diamond on the daily. Yeesh. Guys. Now, obviously, I want to point out this Blood Diamond here that did not play out too crazy. This one was not too bad, but look at this daily Blood Diamond took us down like crazy. This was obviously in May. This was during the May dump, but yeah. We'll have to see. Will March be the new May dump? May dump, then March dump? I don't know. But yeah, we got a Blood Diamond on the daily, not looking too hot. Again, guys, here is this trigger wave. I'm just trying to drill this stuff into you guys so it pops out to you on the charts. Tiny little trigger wave. You can barely see it through the VWAP. Maybe I should get rid of the VWAP shading or something, or maybe lower it a little bit because it's kind of hard to see the waves. Let's see. VWAP, click here. Bring it down a little bit. There we go. Now you can see the wave a little better. So you do see that you have this little tiny trigger wave super close to the zero line with that red dot. And then we came down, right? So these little trigger waves are very, very, very powerful, especially when you have a big old wave right behind it. So yeah, very, very important. Okay, so let's move on down to the 4 hour, right? Money flow coming out on the daily. 4 hour, same thing, money flow curving down, right? We're dumping, right? So we're gonna see this on a lot of the charts. I mean, it might be too early to start looking for, yeah. I'd be careful longing in a move like this, guys. Even the bounces, some of these levels are not giving us the bounces that we're looking for, even for scalps, right? Because do we get a, random line, here we go. So from here, right, on Market Cipher B, your momentum wave makes a higher low. And then, your price was making a lower low. So you have that pinch point, technically a bullish divergence, but I would be careful because these bounces have not been they've been very lackluster. So I'd be very careful, but just wanted to point that out. All right, so there's XRP coming in around about 71 cents. Let's go to the regular candles, see if, coming about 71 cents. Got a little bounce, actually broke 70, came down to 69 for just a second before we wicked back up. But yeah, guys, the alts are not going to be looking great right now. When we're dumping, right? All right. Thank you, Frankie, for being here during the dump. Do you think we will hold the golden pocket? Hey, Ledantec. No problem. I'm always here for you. The last dump we had, I was here with you guys at 2 in the morning. So we're here. I'll never leave you guys hanging. But yeah, so as I said in the beginning of the stream, I don't know if we're going to hold the golden pocket, right? Oh, God, I was like, where did it go? We're on a lower time frame here. Lower time frame. So, yeah, as you can see here, we are bouncing off of it currently. I'll say this. I don't think it's impossible to break through it, right? I was saying that, you know, a lot of people are feeling bullish about the, or a lot of people are all hyped up about the 38K support. Typically, when you see large masses of people, right, talking about, look at this is the support, right? It could be, you know, I was saying you want to think like smart money, not the retail money. You want to think like big money, not small money. You want to swim like a whale, not a minnow. The whales know about the golden pockets. The whales know where the retail traders are looking for bounces, and they like to push it past those prices. So you want to be careful about the golden pocket. But I'm hoping, I will say this, I am hoping we can hold it. That would be nice. If we don't hold it, like I said, I'm looking at 37K for a bounce. And then if we break 37K, 35K is that last stand. Really want to hold 35K. So I hope that helps you out. Hey, Frankie, nice stream as always. Can you check waves, please, bro? Waves like momentum waves, or is waves a coin? I assume it's a coin. We're going to check out the alt soon here. Like I said, I'm going to cut the stream a little short tonight just because we do have, I want to get this video out for you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll be honest, I don't want to make a promise that it will come out tomorrow, only because I thought it was going to be out way sooner than this already, and I just keep, the technical difficulties are stacking on top of me like you cannot believe. It almost sounds like I'm making it up. I kept recording my screen, and the screen would unknowingly just stop recording halfway through the video. I would redo it. I tried recording it on a different computer. Same thing happened. So it was a nightmare. I'm hoping when I get home tonight, I can just sit down on my computer and edit the video with no technical difficulties. But the way my technical difficulties have been going, I wouldn't be shocked if they come back and bite me again. But hopefully they'll be up. The video will be up tomorrow. It's a strategy video. I know you guys like the strategy video, so keep an eye out for it. It's a really good strategy, so keep an eye out for it. Thanks for answering my question, Frankie. Hey, Ledantec, no problem. I got you. I will always answer your questions as long as I see them. Sound cutting out. Are you guys not hearing me? Uh-oh. It's because I'm talking about the technical difficulties. They're trying to shut me down. Unbelievable. I'm going to send the CandleMafia after these people. Come on. Unbelievable. Your stream, I short, bro. Please make long stream. Oh, wait. Your stream is short, bro. Please. I don't know if you're talking about longing and shorting, like making a long and short joke with Bitcoin, or if you're saying my streams are usually short, please make it long. I do a 2-hour stream, so I assume you're probably not talking about that. That's pretty long. But let me know in the chat so I can, Rohit, so I can clarify that. Thanks for the sauce, Frankie. Have a great weekend. No problem, Bubbas. No problem. Can we look at Link? Yes, we'll look at Link right now. Sounds good to me so far. I hear you, Frankie. No problem. Will Yum Yum. I like your name. Now you're good with sound, dude. Okay, cool. Good sound here, good sound here. Sound is perfect. Sound all good. Let's go ahead and take any Chain Link Marines in the chat. Where are the Link Marines? Coming in at $13. Gosh, I still have all my Chain Link. I'll be honest with you guys. I did, yeah, I was gonna say $13 Link, guys. $13 Link. Woo, baby. $13 Link. I bet you Deezy's at his house right now, just buying up all the Link. I'm gonna buy 2 today. I'm gonna buy 3 today, actually, at $13, $14, whatever it is. No, I know you guys joke around with DZ all the time saying he's gonna buy like 0.3 Chain Link. He's going ham right now at these prices. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, right? So VWAP coming down, right? About printing this red dot currently. You know, could be coming down more. Blood Diamond on Link. Blood Diamond on Link. Printing as we speak. Got 19 minutes to confirm it. Let's see. Typically, these can bring us down. These can bring us down quite a bit, as you can see. So yeah, keep an eye on that. Could be coming down. Where would you be finding, you know, maybe here and maybe here. Just roughing these lines out, guys. But excuse me. If you break this support, could be coming down in this region down here, about 13. Currently coming in about $14.29. So there's link for you. Let's check out the 4-hour. Figgity 4-hour. Here we go. Money flow came up. Same thing, guys. It's all kind of similar, right? Came up into the green for a second, back down into the red. All right, let's see. Buy it up. Always got to make the link bag bigger. Hey, can't hate on that. Can't hate on that. Link Marine. I bought all my link back in April last year at all-time high. Oops. Hey, V-Slim, it happens. It happens. I can tell you this. If we go back up, when we go back up to higher prices, whether it's, by the end of March or beginning of April, whatever it is, if we come up soon, or if it's not until the next cycle that we come up to higher highs, you're going to be in profit eventually, I would imagine, with Link. I have a little link. Can you check Hex? We can take a look at Hex. Oh my God, it went down the wrong pipe. Okay, let's go ahead and let's take a look at Hex. Right, Hex only goes up, right? That's what I've heard. Okay. All right. Let's take a. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily here. Wow. Okay, I've actually don't really look at Hex often, but yeah, you did get a pretty massive. This is obviously from a while ago, but oh, geez, 18,000%. Okay, hey. You guys are making out good on Hex, huh? Yellow X on the daily, right? These could bring it down quite a bit, as you can see. VWAP crossing over the zero line, right? Right now we're below the zero line. Printed that red dot right here. Brought us down. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. RSIs are low. Deep in the red on the 4-hour. Deep in the red. Take a look at the 1-hour. Yeah, just kind of, you got yellow X's. You got yellow X's on the 1-hour. Let's check the 15-minute, lower time frames. Yeah, wow, that's weird price action right there. Look at that. Some funky stuff going on right there. I have not, I've never bought Hex. I don't really know about it. I know about Richard. I don't know, I don't have any Hex though. Unfortunately, apparently with 18,000%, I don't know what time frame that was, but it looks like a lot of people made some serious money with Hex. All right, let's see here. Can I grow that 200 bag swing trading BTC on Coinbase, or should I switch to a better flat platform for fees? No, you can, if you're just swing trading on Coinbase, you could definitely swing 200 into 2,000. What is it, 2 to 4, 4 to 8? 8 to 16. You only got to double it 4 times to get to 8. And then you're almost at 2K. Okay, 2 to 4. You go 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. Yeah, 16. If you have doubled it 4 times, you'd have a lot more than that. But yeah, you could. You only need a few doubles for that. You could definitely get that if you were caught at the beginning of the bear market, you would have been getting 4 or 5 X's everywhere. So yeah, you could definitely do that. All right, let's see. Richard is very smart though. He sure can sell it. Yeah. Richard can talk. Wouldn't want to debate him, to be honest. He's very good persuader. He's very persuasive. He's very good talker, very good debater, very well spoken. Smart guy. What up, Candle fam? Daryl, welcome back. What's going on, my man? Coinbase will kill and take your back with fees. Yeah, you could try to find something with lower fees than Coinbase, but all my holdings are in the red, so at this point, I'm a holder. I refuse to sell in the red. No, sir. Hey, Christine, that's a good idea. You do not want to sell in the red. You only lose money if you lock it in by selling. So I'll tell you what, I've never sold in the red and been happy about it. So there you go. Hey, Frankie, this nuclear stuff crushed my long, and I just got some juicy shorts. I don't like shorting, but we got to do what we got to do. Yeah, absolutely. ROV. Ro, as I call them. Ro, yeah, we gotta do what we need to, right? You gotta make money on the way down sometimes, but hey, you got crushed on the long, make it back on the short. Let's go. That's what I like to hear. Let's see, CandleMafia, gang, what up, peeps? Mr. A, what's going on? Welcome back to the stream. I appreciate you for being here. Guys, 300 people in here. Thank you for being here. Smash the like button if you have not already. I think we could go for about 3 spins by the end of the stream. Like I said, we're ending a little early, so you got to get there and smash them pretty quick. But let's spin this thing. Actually, guys, I think we might give the wheel a night off just because it's going to go to 20 jumping jacks every single time. It's absolutely rigged, right? 20 jumping jacks every single time. But we're going to be announcing the winners, and then we're going to do a little wheel revamp for Monday. So it's going to be a little different on Monday, a little cleaner, a little safer, a little easier to read than this chicken scratch. And we're going to change up the challenges a little bit. I think what I'm going to do is I'm only going to put stuff on the wheel that I could do right now, right? So maybe we have a silly outfit or a silly hat, or, you know, we got the crickets standing by, or jelly beans, whatever it is, the nasty vomit flavored jelly beans, whatever it is. We're going to have it so we spin the wheel, and then we do it right away. Also, as soon as we get monetized, which will be very soon, I think we might change the rules, right? Maybe we'll do like goals, but also if you just want to hop in there and get me to spin the wheel in the middle of the stream, you could send a super chat for a certain amount of money, and I'll just spin it right there in the middle of the stream. And then, yeah. And then if you land maybe on giveaway, if you send a super chat and you land on giveaway, you just get that giveaway, right? So that could be pretty cool. All right, let's see. Oh, God, here we go. Thank you, Tyler. Tyler is on the scammers. Nothing gets by Tyler. What up, bro? Second day here. Checked out some of your tutorial videos earlier, and let me tell you, I am very appreciative for them. Your explanations are so easy to understand and follow along. Loon, or is it loony? Anytime. I do absolutely love hearing that. Gonna go ahead and screenshot that just because I love it so much. But yeah, I love hearing that. I do hear that a lot, that people find it very easy to understand what I'm saying. I do try to break it down to a normal level, right? Because I started from square one. And I know what it's like for someone to kind of talk over your head and you're not able to understand. And if you're not able to directly ask them, whoa, hang on, what did you say? What does that mean? It's hard to get a clear answer or get clarity, right? So that's why I like to be very, very clear in my videos, because I know what it's like to watch a video or take a course or do something where you can't just actually get an explanation on something. So I appreciate that comment, I really do. What's going on, CandleMafia? Sorry I've been gone the past couple of days. Boy, have I missed a lot. Hey, Rafi, welcome back. No problem, don't worry. We were just waiting for you. It's okay. You know, we didn't go anywhere. We were just waiting on your return, you know? We were eager to have you back, and we're happy you're here. Let's see, 47% profit on a short today on ETH. Frankie changed the game for me. Trusting TA this week. Guys, we need an air horn. We're getting sound effects on this stream. We're going ham on this stream. We're screenshotting that too, guys. I'm so proud. I am so proud of everybody trading and making money, and I'm so happy that I could help you guys, you know, make some money trading and kind of clear these, you know, clear up some of the confusion with trading and stuff. I love it. I see it more and more every day, and I'm so happy to hear that. Okay, let's see. Literally, guys, I'm not even kidding. When you guys make money and you say it's because of my stream, I literally get goosebumps. And, you know, I will show you guys on camera, because you're probably like, oh, yeah, okay, Frankie. Or maybe you're not thinking that, but, you know, some people out there might be like, oh, okay, yeah, dude, you're just saying that. Next time it happens, I will come up and show you guys on the camera. You'll be able to see it. That thing's like 8K. That camera, trust me, that can pick it up. Anyway, let's see. Frankie, how many days do you think in this correction lasts? It would be no way to really tell what, I mean, this is, I mean, I'll tell you what we can do. We can do this. Now, do not take this as like, this is not a legitimate form of TA. There's really no way to tell how long a dump is going to take, because I could say, oh, you know, it could curve up here, and then, you know, it could take a day or two. But then in the middle of the weekend, if we have another mega dump, like, I mean, who knows, right? But what we can do is we can just say, you know, let's say money flow comes down a little bit, right? And then you see something play out like that, where you get a crossover here, right? Or actually, let's go from the tip of this, right? So say you come down a little more, right? You waver, and then you finally cross up here, right? I mean, this is not actual TA, guys. I want to be very clear. But you could kind of just measure this move. Like, I don't know, like if you cross over here, it would be about 5 days. But that's, I mean, don't go by that. That's just for fun. But hey, maybe it plays out. Who knows? There's really no way to say. It depends. Like we could crash. Who knows? By the end of tonight, we could come down to 35K and get a mega bounce, you know, and it could go nuts. Like so, it's very hard to say. I don't really like making time predictions like that because it's so hard to do. And most of the people who get those things right are typically guessing and they're getting lucky. But I will say this, guys. How about that blockchain backer Fractal? Did you guys see him on the morning stream on the BitBoy crypto stream? His fractal from 2018 has been playing out to a T. That guy, Mr. Blockchain Backer, that thing is very, very accurate. It's actually creepy to see price action mimic that. But I'm not surprised, guys, because we're just charting emotion, right? On these charts, we're just charting emotion. But that blockchain backer fractal is insane. Blockchain backer fractal, blockchain backer fractal. Hard to say. That's a tongue twister. Say that 5 times fast. Depends on if you have a charger with you. The dump can take all day. When scalping, what kind of % of your portfolio do you risk? Good question, K. K-Cuts, great question. I recommend trading with maybe 10 to 20% of your account at most, if not less. So I'm not risk. I'm pretty risk averse. So yeah. I would be careful betting a lot of your account. I typically do between 10 and 15%. It depends on the trade. It depends on the leverage, right? If I'm using lower leverage, I'll use more money. And if I'm using higher leverage, I will risk less money. All right, let's see here. Better than learning more and more. There's also some great trading going on in my Discord. Lots of folks learning so much from Frankie. Yes. Captain has I don't know what we're going to call what we call it, like a temporary Discord, or I guess a mod Discord. If for now, if you guys have a giveaway or something and you want to hop in there and just chat as a community until we get the actual Discord set up. But it is impressive. That Discord is well set up. I will say I did peek in there for a little bit the other day. So kudos to you, Captain Kirk. Good job. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh man, I have to get in on that Discord. Yes, Rafi, yes. On a short on Atom, 4 hours at 135%. Here we go, guys. We're taking screenshots today, guys. Adam, congratulations. I appreciate you for being here, and I'm glad that you're learning. Adam says, on a short on Atom, 4 hour at 135% profit. Thanks, Frankie C. #value. Let's go. Let's go. Captain Kirk. Frankie Candle's all tongue twisted today. Yes, Captain Kirk, I can't talk. Imagine if I tried to rap right now, how much of a mess that would be. If we break 34K, a lower low, will that indicate that we are in a bear market? I will say this, if we make a lower low, right, if we come below this trend line and we make a lower low from these lows here, it will invalidate our running flat theory that would break up to higher highs. That will invalidate that pattern. I will say that. All right, let's see. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Number 1, Captain Kirk, #the best. Brad, yes, absolutely. Captain Kirk is amazing. Let's see. But his fractal just broke with this drop. Yeah, you are right. It did kind of start deviating from the fractal. I did see, actually didn't see his video, but I saw someone talking about how his fractal broke. Everybody's talking about the blockchain backer fractal. But hey, I guess that's what happens when you nail stuff like that. I mean, that is an insane fractal. I have never seen anything like that in my life. So yeah, all right, let's see. You should make a video on risk management. Yes. Arc Studios TV, we're gonna make a risk management video. I did just make a stop loss video, which I guess could qualify as a risk management video. So definitely check that out if you have not. I talk a little bit about how you can manage your risk while in a trade. But yeah, we're gonna be having I think I'm gonna make it a section on the channel where it's gonna be like tutorials, psychology, and then like risk management, and then strategies, and then indicator reviews or whatever it is. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Barely made it here. I will have to catch the first part after the stream. LFG. Michael, thank you for coming back. What's going on? All right, guys. Let's see. Let's get to 300 likes, guys. We're going to get those 3 wheel spins. And yeah, it's going to be a great time. Let's see. Crypto Lifer says Stochastic is best. Any views on it? We could talk about that, Rohi. We could talk about that. All right, let's see here. Yeah, the blockchain backer fractal is insane. very, very crazy. All right, let's see. Depends on if you have, okay. All right, so let's go ahead and check on Polkadot as well. I wanted to take a look at Polkadot. Hey guys, okay, actually, never mind. Wow. All right. So on the daily for Polkadot, right? Obviously, you have that trigger wave coming down, boom, boom, comes down. Yeah, you know, kind of looking the same. 4 hour, right? A lot of these look the same. What else did you guys want to see? Like I said, we're gonna wrap this stream up a little early today. Let's see what happens. Can we get through the alts? If you guys want me to look at your alts, throw them in chat now. I'm going to try to start getting into that part of the stream now. Thanks, Frankie. I never miss a live from your channel. I like that you are one of the very few TA people that interacts with the chat and love it. Hey, Alexander, anytime. I'm here for you guys. I genuinely want to help you guys. So, and again, coming from experience, like when I first started trading back in the day, I wish there was someone that I could just ask a question to and they could actually see me and answer questions. So, Frankie, seems like everything I look at is some sort of level and everything is seriously tied to Bitcoin next move. Yeah. Everything is serious. Yeah. For the most part, I mean, you know, as Bitcoin goes down, usually you see, maybe with the exception of like Atom and Luna, like a couple alts, for the most part, you see most of the market go down. All right, let's see. ETH. Let's see, we got ETH, we got, let's see. ETH, all good, brother, Crypto Anon. Crow, ETH, Crow, Gala. Dot Frankie? Yeah, we're on Dot right now, actually, Matthew, we're on Dot right now. Okay, so for Dot, I'm just gonna say this. Maybe that VWAP comes up, but yeah, I mean, look at this. I think we still probably could come down a little bit more. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, maybe you come up a tiny bit, but I think probably you'll come down and actually test this line here, if not break down to this level down here. Rising tides and all that. Yeah, Jonathan, thank you for saying that. I didn't want to have to say it again. Yeah. I like the way rising tides and all that. That's funny. Tell about your first trade, how much, tell us about your first trade, how much you made. So Rohit, my first trade, to be 100% honest, I don't even remember my first trade. I remember like when I first started trading, I don't remember my specific first trade. It was probably a paper trade, which is probably why I don't remember it. But I bet you this, I bet you my first trade was probably a loser trade. I can tell you that much. I can almost guarantee you it was a losing trade. Because I went in and I just figured I'd try everything and then figure out what didn't work on my paper account. I'd figure out what didn't work, figure out what did work, and then before I moved on to real money. So I could probably guarantee you that it was a losing trade. Let's see. All right, Luna, ETH, Solana. What was the other one? I just saw it. Crow. All right, let's take a look at Crow. Crow USD. Oh, baby, look at that. Okay, so you're basically here, testing this line, right here. This is the 1 hour. Let's start on the daily. Daily's probably gonna look the same as Bitcoin if I had to guess. Yes, same as Bitcoin. Blood diamond, right? Excuse me. 4 hour. 4 hour dipping back into the red. You could come down more on Crow, in my opinion. You just entered onto the 4 hour with the money flow, right? Deep in the red here. Let's look at the lower time frames, 15 minute. Yeah, yellow X on the 15 minute. This might be that little fake out pump you get after these yellow X's before coming down sometimes. Like you could see right here, you kind of come up a little bit and then you dump back down. We'll have to see. You could come up a little bit and then you might dump back down and break that, right? You do have the 15-minute VWAP coming down. Maybe that's where you see the dump. Or maybe it played out. No way to really tell. You're gonna have to let time tell on that one. But yeah, I'm thinking maybe you come down a little further on Crow. Depends on what Bitcoin does, obviously. So yeah, yeah. All right. Let's see. Dot. We looked at Dot. Let's check out Gala. Gala. Where'd she go? Gala. Bada boom. Here we go. Why is Gala not checked off? Give him a little green. Oh wow, look at this. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay. So Let's see. Let's go ahead and we'll just start on the 4-hour because I'm sure the daily probably looks the same. Now I feel like we have to check it in case it isn't. Yeah, looking the same as Bitcoin for the most part. Okay, not confirmed yet. Okay, so let's go down to the 4-hour. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Boom. And let's pull a fib from here. Here. Yeah. Coming to the golden pocket on Gala as well. Actually, going to be like right there. Yeah. So let's come down to the 15-minute and see what's going on here. Yellow X. Yeah, coming down to the golden pocket. Let's see if we can hold it. Let's see if we can hold it. Whoop. Yes. You know, this level right down here. If you break the golden pocket, you're probably going to make a little stop there. But let's see. What is this? This is 19 cents. Is this where it was? Where's the 4-hour? Well, let's get market cipher A. This is freaking me out. Where was the, let's go to the daily. Oh, it was right here. Okay. Let's go down to the 4-hour now. Okay. Yeah. So this is the level. This is the level where I would be buying, to be honest. Me personally. This is the level we called this. I was buying here before we had that rip up. Obviously, I actually didn't take any profits on that yet, which I obviously won't be taking profits unless we go back up at this point. But this is a pretty strong level. We hung out here for a while. So, you know, this range right here, let me pull up my little rectangle. I mean, just roughing this out, guys, this little range, you know, maybe there, and then go. Yeah, I mean, I'm not even gonna draw this box because that was a mess. But we hung out around this level for a little while. So, I mean, if we break it, maybe we stick here, but I don't even really know. Maybe we bounce here before, you know, coming all the way down back to this level, kind of like we did here, bounced at the golden pocket, came up, rejected back down to this level. So this is the level I kind of look to buy Gala. All right, let's see. Oh, look at that. We have Aaron Curry stopping in just to say hi, or maybe he's here to say bye. Come on up here, man. Come on up here. Guys,
did you get a different wheel?
Yes, well, we're going to use a virtual wheel. For Monday's stream, we're going to use a virtual wheel, and I think we're going to take a break from the wheel today because this is literally just rigged for...
I tried watching last night, and I could not handle this wheel.
Look, it's rigged. It's moving by itself.
Not only is the wheel rigged, your handwriting is atrocious. I can't even read it.
They roast my handwriting all the time. It's really bad because I'm always writing like this, and it's just gross. So the digital wheel will be an upgrade from that. Until we get the nice one, our mod Tony is building us a custom wheel. So it should be much nicer than that. But guys, if you watch Hit Network, you will recognize Aaron always making fire videos over on the Hit Network.
A lot of new stuff coming. A lot.
A lot of new stuff. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Some really cool stuff that I guess we can't say, right?
Yeah. Coming soon.
Coming soon. Hit Network. Follow Hit Network.
Bye, Frank.
See you later, Aaron. Love you. Aaron Curry, ladies and gentlemen. You never know who's going to come in here and pop in on the stream. But yeah, let's take a look here. I knew you weren't going to cut it at an hour. Too much dedication. Back home and good work. Oh, God, we're at an hour and a half? I didn't even mean to. All right, guys. With that being said, we checked out some alts. I think I gave you guys some good sauce on Bitcoin. I gave you the levels we're watching. I did just want to make sure I popped in and, you know, did the live to let you guys know what I was thinking. So, you know, just so go enjoy your Friday night. Lunacy. Yeah, thoughts? Thought you were leaving early. Yeah, guys, I knew you weren't gonna cut it out. Okay, yeah. Yeah, guys, sorry I stayed on too long. But anyway, yeah, with that, I lose track of time. Like I said, guys, I kind of had a little bit of a rough day. I was kind of bummed out today. I had to record that video 3 times. It's so frustrating. It takes like a half hour every time. I wasted so much time today doing that. I was kind of in a bummed out mood. And then I come on here and I'm like in the best mood ever. I love these streams. I really do. Hey, Jimmy Two Shoes, what's going on, man? Thank you for being in here again. But yeah, guys, with that being said, let's go solo here, slowing down a little bit. Let's, what do you say we pick the giveaway winners, right? The giveaway and phone call winners. I don't know, technically the 15-minute call is not a giveaway, so, you know, I don't want to say giveaway winners. All right, let's see here. Yes, Chris, we're doing an NFT giveaway. If you want to jump out of chat really quick and go to the stop loss video and like it and leave a comment, you'll be entered in. I'll give you like 45 seconds to go do that real quick if you want to get in and join. So go right now. I'm counting to 45. All right, guys. So let me just pull up real quick. Let me pull my let me pull this what do you call it up really quick. What is it? JPEG store. That's what it is. Let me pull up the NFT we're giving away so we can show it. Bada boom. Connect wallet. Install browser extension. What do you mean? I have the browser extension. Oh, come on. You're really gonna do this to me? Oh, there we go. Okay. Didn't think it was gonna connect, guys. But we got it. Don't worry. We're gonna show it. Oh my God, I keep sucking coffee in. All right. By the way, guys, today's energy is brought to you by just good old black coffee. Nothing is found here. Okay, guys. Well, I guess I got rug pulled on all my NFTs because it says I have no NFTs. Oh no, here they are. Okay, so here you go. Boom. Here is the Cardano NFT we're giving away. To be 100% honest, I don't know how much I even paid for it. I don't remember. I bought it like a week ago. But it's probably between like 45 ADA and 100 ADA. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember. But hey, this is it. It's a little avatar themed, I would think. It looks like pretty cool NFT. I like it a lot. I hope the president of China can pump the heck out of VeChain. Yeah, me too. Okay, so let's go ahead. Hopefully Chris got back in here. Shoot, watch the day it came out. Okay, here we go. All right. So we are going to go ahead and pick a random winner here. Let's see. Bada boom, baby. I think we can start it. Did it work? I think it worked. All right, here we go, guys. And the winner, we're gonna do NFT giveaway first. So the first person, the first person, mods, Tony, Tyler, anybody, any of the mods, if you guys can just maybe DM me this on Twitter, just DM me the who won what, just so I know. You guys are really, really good at like keeping track of all that stuff, and I appreciate you guys so much for it. So the first comment that we pick is gonna win the NFT, okay? Hopefully we don't pull my name again, because I do respond to all the comments. I will be responding to the rest of them. I got through a bunch of them today. But let's see. Let's see. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Ian. Ian says, solid video, Franks. Thanks for the info. No problem, Ian. If you're in chat, spam something in there pretty real quick so we know you're here. Congratulations. What you're going to have to do to get the NFT, if you don't already have a NAMI wallet, N-A-M-I, go download a NAMI wallet, and we will, the mods will get me your address so I can send that over to you. Let's go. Yeah, Ian, congratulations, my dude. Let me just take a picture of this so I have it for my records. Boom. And then, all right. So this is going to be the next winner is going to be for 15-minute one-on-one call with me where we could talk about whatever you want, whether it's Market Cypher, you want to ask me questions about trading, or if you just want to talk about like video games or working out or cars or any other interests you have that I might also have, we could talk about that as well. Whatever you want. It's your 15 minutes. So you let me know what you want to talk about. And let's go ahead and pick another winner. Boom. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? V-Slim maybe? Oh, Joshua. Studio 26. Great content. Thank you, Studio 26. Hopefully you're in chat. If you are not, I will take a picture of this and we will try to get in touch with you. And we can hop on a call. Guys, how funny would it be if it landed on like a hate comment? It was like, what? Like if we pull it up and the winner is whatever, whoever the name is, and then we read it, it's like, Frankie Candles, you suck. That'd be pretty funny. Like, probably don't want to talk to me on the phone then, if I were thinking. Yeah, so congratulations to Ian. Congratulations to Studio 26. I appreciate the positive comments. So if you're rewatching this, reach out to me on Twitter or, come back in chat and spam it in chat. Hopefully one of the mods will see it and get in touch with you guys and then get you guys in touch with me so we can get on the call and I can get you your Cardano NFTs. And without further ado, guys, if you stuck around here, we still got two guys so close to 300 likes. Let's get it up there, baby. 300 likes. I'm eating the crickets right now. 300 likes. I'm eating the crickets right now. I'm going to go get them when I come back. Hopefully we're at 300 likes. Oh God, this is gonna be gross. I'm not just eating one cricket either, guys. This is gonna be more than one cricket. All right, let's see. 299, 3. Okay, 302. Let's go. All right, here we go. I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna show them to you. They are, I do believe, dehydrated, but they are indeed crickets. I swear. All right, here we go. Let me go on the other side here. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let's see if the camera will focus. Focus, camera, focus. All right, you guys see that? These are indeed crickets. I'm gonna try to hold one up so you can see its little head. Yeah, this is good. They're small. They are small, but this is indeed a cricket. This is indeed a real life cricket. It's not alive. I would never eat a live cricket. They are like dehydrated, but it is indeed a cricket. Let's see, get that focus. Yeah, it is a cricket, guys. That is an actual cricket. There's his little head. You can kind of see his little head. Look at, I don't know what sound they make. So here we go, guys. They are still in my hand. Hopefully you guys can see them there. I'm not lying to you. And you guys want cricket ASMR? We'll do cricket ASMR. Who said that? Bye night turf. No. What flavor crickets are they? So guys, these are not just like dirty crickets that I picked up off the floor, just so you know. These are actually flavored. They are real crickets. They are indeed real crickets. But they're actually, I think they're cheddar jalapeno. So I think they're gonna be probably pretty gross anyway. I wish you guys could see a close up these things. Okay, here we go. Oh God. All right. Here we go. I'm just gonna do them all at one time. Oh God. Roaches? No way. I would never eat a roach. Here we go. Ready? Ah! Can I be honest? They're actually pretty good. Oh, a little spicy. These are, I think, the ones that they made me eat on the Hit Network. I only had like a couple though. It's actually pretty good. It tastes like a potato chip. Guys, that's not bad. That is not bad, not gonna lie. That is not bad. It feels like a potato chip, tastes like a potato chip. If I shut my eyes and ate that, I would have no idea those were crickets. Not bad. So yeah, actually kind of spicy. There you go, guys. I stick to my word. Where is it? I think we took it off the wheel, but whatever. We had eat bugs on here, and there it is, right there. Eat bugs, and I did it, right? I stick to my word. You guys never said they couldn't be jalapeno cheddar flavored. Pay this man more money. Oh yeah, that's sick, man. Hey, Mikey, he likes it. Told ya. Jalapeno cheddar sounds fire. It is actually pretty good. It does not taste gross at all, I'll be honest with you guys. I knew that was coming. Protein. Frankie's new daily treat. Yeah, missed my little pre-stream protein. There you go. Did you pick winners for the giveaways? Mr. A, yes, we did. Studio 26 won the call, and Ian won the NFT. But with that being said, guys, just real quick before I hop off, we will be giving away another Ledger Nano S. Not this one, because this one's ripped. I would never send you a ripped Ledger. We're going to send you a different one. But we are giving away another Ledger Nano S next week. So stay tuned for the details on that giveaway. As you guys know, we do tons of giveaways on this channel. So if you missed out on this one, don't worry. There's going to be so many more to come. So yeah. Let's see. Next time, dirty, please. Start leaving those in a bowl on your desk for all those in office. Ah, good idea. Yeah, buddy, lightweight. Remember, though, you are what you eat. Captain's calling me a cricket. Unbelievable. Next time, it's got to be a live worm. Oh, God. Get some sauce on that. Hey, we should put some sauce on those things. Come on. They would have been good with sauce. Let's see. Share some with Cryptos R Us. You're the man. You're a man of your word. Stand up. Forget about it, and we're out. Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. I appreciate you being here, Jimmy. As always, I love you, brother. Have a good weekend, Frankie. Yeah, guys. With all that being said, bugs down. NFT given away. Phone call being scheduled. wheel in the works of being fixed. Guys, I appreciate all you guys being here. We hit 7,000 subs this week, and super crazy. Got a bunch of people in here making money and thanking us for teaching them on this stream. Actually got goosebumps. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see that, but they're there. It really does. It affects me when you guys make money. I don't know why. It really makes me happy. It's crazy. I love that I'm able to do that for you guys. To actually make an impact is crazy. So thank you all for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm sorry for the short stream, but I'm really just doing it to go home and edit this video so I can get it out for you guys tomorrow so you guys can continue to learn and make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. Guys, that's all I got for this one. I love each and every single one of you. See you in the next one. Frankie Candles out.